Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing product review. So we're checking out the Vittles Vault. This is a Gamma 2 product here, and it has a sealable bug-proof seal on there. So this features this little gasket on top. So you can just screw this on just like this. Has some nice easy handles, so you can quite easy to screw on there. Give it a couple turns. Makes a nice airtight container there. So if you're storing your cat food or whatever and you got issues with cats, not with cats, well I guess maybe with cats, but ants and stuff crawling in the food or bugs, these are also like BPA free, made with like food safe plastics. So you could even use this to store like flour and different foods and stuff in there. If you use a lot, like maybe oats and flour, if you're into like having that bulk food supply ready on the side, just in case. These are durable, strong, large plastic containers. They sell quite a few different sizes on here. I'm gonna be using this one just for cat food. See the little paws on the side there. So I got a 20-pound bag of cat chow here. I'm going to pour that in here. But I like that it's airtight, so it's going to keep that food nice and safe. One more piece there. No wasted food here. Nope, maybe. Okay, so that was a 20-pound bag, and we're right about there as far as the height is. So it's going to keep the food from getting stale too. That's really good. So just kind of seal it in there, turn that. It's got these nice little molded handles in the side. They're not sharp or anything. Makes lifting it quite easy. And these are pretty durable. I think I can probably sit on this too. Be like a little chair thing. Let me see here. Yeah, so, I mean, it's pretty burly. I don't know if I just use it as a chair all the time, but these are quite sturdy. So, nice, handy food, whether you got your dog food, cat food, bird food, or just your people food, and you want some nice large containers for bulk supplies. A great idea. Seems like a nice little container, and yeah, pretty happy with this. So thanks so much for watching, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.